Now better, yes? Very, very easy.
On voit bien le volume. Ouais.
Volume, yes. Now I need it make it more strong. What I do? I use same color, but I put more water. Because this color, I will show, look, I will put here. Very strong, yes? I use now, they say, with more water, and you make it light, look. Então, I can do it here. Water. Water here. Look, I make it warm. But this I make now same process, but in part. If I want more details, that I want, of course I want, I will punch and draw. I will draw now. You will see.